The Canterbury Tales Analysis. The Canterbury Tales, written by Geoffrey Chaucer in the late 14th century, is a seminal work of English literature that offers a vivid portrayal of medieval society through a collection of stories told by the diverse group of plagiarism traveling to Canterbury. That Chaucer narrative framework not only entertains but also serves as a social commentary, revealing the complexity of human nature and the social hierarchy of the time. Reflection. Reflecting on Geoffrey Chaucer's This Canterbury Tales, I am reminded of a personal experience during a college literature class where we explored the rich tapestry of human experiences depicted in the tales. This experience allowed me to engage with the complexities of human nature, social structure, and moral dilemmas to Chaucer so skillfully portrayal through discussing the various characters in their narratives and gain a deeper understanding of how stories can illuminate truths about society and ourselves.